So, sir, as we know that students run behind jobs after the internship. So, what are the chances that internship will definitely lead to a job offer?
There are 4 or 5 different aspects when we consider an intern to become a full-time employee. So first thing is
Okay.
the intern should be very very proactive, and he should communicate more often to his supervisor on what he is doing, how is the completion of process, all that kind of thing, so that the supervisor can understand that you are active and progressing, all that. So which might be lagging during an online internship. Okay, so that's what the first thing. And second thing is he should ask for a feedback on how the performance is there when he's submitting an assignment. uh, what kind of improvement he can bring in, what is the progress he can make. That feedback mechanism he has to initiate during the process.
Yes,
Second
sir.
thing is the being introvert or being very passive is not recommended during internship. He has to speak a lot with the fellow colleagues, fellow supervisors, all that, so that he's more active in the entire process. And
Yes.
being professional, punctual, it is all monitored either directly or indirectly during the process. So these are the consideration. And the best part is he has to be initiative. It is not something they should stop only with that particular project. He should ask, okay, whether you have some other projects, can I do this, can I do that, it should come from the intern rather than supervisor assigning the task. So these 4 or 5 things will be monitored by the supervisor to understand whether he's really interested to continue, whether he will really contribute, all that. Okay. With that parameters only, the full-time job offers will be given to the potential intern, where he can continue to be an employee in the same organization. Otherwise, if the intern is keeping quiet and lacking on all these elements which we have talked about, then the chances are very very low. So that part, the interns has to be mindful
Mhm.
during the
Yeah.
internship process. That's what the highly recommended
Okay.
process.
If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with talkmat.io/gskumar.